Hello everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to download the closed job report in the Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now go to the operations module. Here, we have to select the operation dashboard menu under the operation module. On this operation dashboard page, we have to select the date range. And also we have to enter the required details. Then we have to click on the submit button. Now the operation dashboard screen will be displayed on the particular date range job. Here we have to click on the closed job report button. Now the operation dashboard closed job report screen will be opened. If you want to download the details, here we have to click on the options menu. Then we have to click on the download button. This is how to download the closed job report in the Fresa application. Thanks for watching.